Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Hello friends. A question was asked, what is the antiepileptic associated with behavioral side effects? What is the antiepileptic associated with behavioral side effects? That is levetiracetam. Levetiracetam is the antipsychotic which is associated with behavioral side effects, like it will cause aggression, it will cause hostility, okay, and nervousness. It causes aggression, hostility, and nervousness. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.